Hello friends, welcome to my channel My Education Made Easy. In this example 10, we are going to discuss or we are going to write a program in order to identify whether the given year is leap year or not. A leap year is exactly divisible by 4 except for centuries, that is like years ending with 00. And a century year is a leap year that is perfectly divisible by 400. This is what we are going to see by using nested if conditions. So here we'll be using three nested if. Um for that, we need to have an year first, year, which is an integer, which is user input. So in order to do that, we'll be writing this one. So here we'll be writing enter the year which you want to find. Okay, this is what the thing we are going to use, and then we are going to use first if condition. So here year ampersand 4. That is, whenever the year is divisible by 4, then we need to check for one more condition. That is, if uh, year ampersandage 100, then it should be divisible by 100 and it has to be equal to 0. Then one more if condition we are going to put it over here, that is if year, sorry, if year ampersand 400 is equal to 0. Okay, then print whatever the year we have entered is a leap year. Sorry, leap year dot format of year. This is what we need to print after checking these three conditions. Next, we'll be going with else. Print zero is not a leap year dot format of year. Then one nested if we have completed. Then we'll be going for one more nested if. So here else we'll be using else print is a leap year. Then final if condition we are going to close it. That is else print is not a leap year. Okay, this is what I have seen. Now we'll see how this program will work. So here in first condition, so if it is not divisible by 4, that means it is not a leap year. So here, if it is not divisible by 4, then it will print directly after checking all these conditions. It will go for first thing. If year is not divisible by 4, then directly it will print it is not a leap year. If it is divisible by 4, then it will check for if it is divisible by 100. If it is divisible by 100, then it will go for next loop. That is, it is divisible by 400 or not. If it is not divisible by 400, then it will print it is a leap year. Okay. If it is divisible by 400 also, then it will print here this year is a leap year. Then after passing through all these conditions, even if one of the things fails, then it will go for not a leap year. So here it will check with 1, 2, 3. So if here only if it gets failed, then it will go for this one. If here it gets failed, means then it will go for this print statement. If here it's failing means then it will go for this one. This is what the nested if. Okay, using nested if, whether the year is leap year or not, we are going to see in this particular format. Now we are going to run this program and going to see. So as we know that 2000 is a leap year. So we have entered 2000 and we got a 2000 is a leap year. Now we'll enter something called after that 2001. So it is not a leap year. So here we have forgotten to give the format. So format of year we need to mention. If not, it won't take the this one. It will consider everything as string. So here we need to go with format of year. Okay. Now once again I'll run it and see that whether 2001 is a leap year or not. 2001 is not a leap year. Okay. Now we'll see whether fourth year is a leap year or not. 4 is a leap year. Okay. In order to identify these things, uh, now we'll enter 200. 200 is not a leap year, right? Now I'll see some more things like 400. Okay, 400 is a leap year. Okay, here the basic things are four cases we are going to handle in this. So here, if it is not divisible by 4, it is not a leap year. Then if it is divisible by 4 but not by 100, then it is a leap year. If it is divisible by 4 and 100 but not by 400, then it is uh, not a leap year. And also, if it is divisible by 400 and 400, then it is a leap year. These are the four conditions. We have put it in three nested if conditions. Okay, this is how we are going to program for this finding a program for finding whether the year is leap year or not. With this, I'll be winding up the session. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe.